Hi, today I'm explaining about InDesign pages and master pages, right? So this is really new because the master pages it has, right? So what are the master pages? So we'll check all these things, right? Create new. Yeah, I'm creating. Yeah, for print, and suppose I'm taking A4. See here in settings, suppose here I'm taking inches, right? See here, so up to now we use pages only one page, right? So but here today we are using the many pages, multiple pages, right? So for example here I'm using 10 pages, right? So column gutter and columns I'm not taking default, I'm using the same. A bleed and slug also you can maintain the same. I'll explain about bleed and slug the later classes, right? Coming classes. So pages here, so here facing pages, the facing pages means what? Suppose if I on this, your pages can face each other, right? Suppose here, see, I'm using with facing pages tick mark, and here I'm creating create, right? Suppose see here. So scroll your middle mouse, right? So you will count these pages. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10, right? In panels here we have pages option, so just click on that and we'll get the details about the pages. Suppose see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the facing pages these are, right? Suppose now instead of these I'm creating new. This time don't use these facing pages and create. Now check, see your all pages are one by one. Suppose here, see these are the pages, right? Continuously it is displaying up to 10 pages. So this is without facing pages. Now again I'm using same facing pages option, right? Create. Yes. These are the things, right? And here on this panel, pages panel, you'll get these 10 pages here, right? So these are what the pages, these are all regular normal pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 10 already we mentioned in settings. So but here in these pages we can design like books, magazines, because it has multiple pages, unlimited pages you can create, right? See here it is showing only 1, the last is showing 1, the between pages the spreading, the pages spread the both sides, so it is giving 2 pages. Suppose if you observe any book, any magazine, the first page will be 1, that too that is in a right side. If you check this Time magazine or India Today, the first page it has only 1 page, that too that can display in a right side, the right side. And if you turn that page, so you open this page, then other pages will continue as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last end page. Suppose read that complete book, and close that cover page. So it can be only a 1 page, that too in left side. So for every magazine book, the first and last pages will be 1 only, the remaining pages between pages has 2, right? That too facing each other. These are regular normal pages, right? Suppose here on this page We'll create suppose anything. Suppose this is my first page. Here I want to create one design here, right? Suppose I'm creating this circle and I want to fill color from this control panel, or otherwise you fill color by typing this, right? Suppose say okay. Yeah. See, this is, I added this circle in this first page, right? In the second page that is not there, right? And suppose here in suppose fifth page, in fifth page, by double clicking on that you will get that fifth page, or otherwise see here the pages options are there. Here by clicking on that you will get the fifth page, right? So you can minimize this. So this is my fifth page. Here again I am creating one more, the design. It can be any design. Suppose this is my shape, right? So here I add in first page, and this is a last page and fifth page, right? Suppose I want to remove this one. Suppose I added this in all the pages. Simply by deleting this you can remove that by selecting. You can remove that. That is a normal way to delete everything, right? Suppose sometimes what I want to add the same design in all the pages, right? The same design I want to use. Suppose in any magazine or any book, suppose the logo will be there. The logo, it is a common design for all pages. Suppose at the corner right top corner I am placing logos for all the pages, right? So it is not possible to place individually the same logo in all pages, right? So that time I'll use this master page, right? So master page means this is a master. The master page can control all the pages as your idea or your plan, right? So this is my master page. So here the right side, suppose here I double click on that, right? See here suppose this is my logo, right? Suppose I'm giving my logo here. So I want to fill this with this pink color, right? This is my logo. This logo actually, see, it is added to the pages, all the pages. So this is 1. So 1, 2. Suppose 3 not added, and suppose this is 4, 5, 6, and suppose here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8, 9 also so not added. So suppose here I right click, and if you check this, yeah, apply master page to pages. Yeah, for all pages, right? All pages should apply, right? Yeah, now it is applied to all pages. See, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But see, it is applied only on the right side pages, because we applied this logo on right side pages only, in for all pages, right? So left side pages, suppose the last and the other remaining pages has no logo, right? So suppose I want to add this time left side one common design, right? Suppose you double click on the left side here. So here I want to give some design. Suppose, yeah, this is my design. Here I want to fill color. Right, this is my design, and it is applied for all the pages. See, that too only for the left side, because you are controlling, you are adding the design to only left side, right? So remaining is the text will add, right? Suppose the right side I want to add some text here, right? So for that I'm creating one more master page, new master page. So give your name, because in prefix it is giving B master page after A, right? So you can say this B prefix. The remaining things, same settings I'm using. Right, see this, right? Yeah, here in B master right side, here I want to add some text here, right? Suppose here I want to add some text. So this is my text, and here I'm giving 18 font, and right click, insert placeholder text, right? Placeholder text added. And next, so the same text, suppose, see, you want to add that same text for all the pages, right? So here what I do, right click, and suppose apply to master to pages. Suppose here apply master to pages. So suppose here I'm giving all pages, say okay. Here see, the text what you applied, it is added to all the pages, right? So this is, see, so these are all your pages, added text to all right side, right? And suppose this is in master A, so these are your master A pages. And suppose here, just click here, and this you can apply this design, the same master design, and for suppose apply master pages, and again see, here I'm applying for all the pages, say okay, and see now this design is applied to all the A master pages, that too for left side only, right? And this is a right side it has. Suppose I want to apply this text only for few pages, right? Apply master pages to give number. Suppose here I'm using for page 1 comma, and suppose page 5 comma, and page 9, right? I'm giving, right, say 3. Okay, now see here, page 1 and here 5 and 9, for these 3 pages only your text added. So that means you can choose whatever you want to add in A master or B master. Suppose here I want to add this one. Suppose this one, this logo I want to add for the all the pages, right? So right click here and apply to master pages. I say it is for all, right? So it is added. It is added to all. But from the master page I want to add the text only for few pages by giving that a right click and choose your pages you can add, or otherwise just drag and drop this, right? So on 3, suppose here, and this is for 7 I'm giving, right? And here I'm giving for first, right? So you can choose that. Okay, and here suppose I want to add this one, I want to add on page suppose 5. You can drag and drop here. So at the same way here we can drag and drop, right? So you added this logo. If you want for the all the pages, you can add to all the pages, right? And suppose here there is one more thing is there, none. Suppose in this the first page, suppose here, yeah, in right side B master there is your text, right? This you want to remove that, so you can none option use and you can drop here. So you are deleting the text from the first page, because here you can create as a cover page. Whatever the design you can create that. Suppose here select that page and get any picture. So place cover page, I'm taking any picture for time being I'm taking, right? So this is open, and here drag and drop your size. Actually, yes, this is your size, right? You added only on this page because it is a front cover, and here you write the other name, something like, give your text and suppose this is 30, and right click and add some placeholder text. So this is right, this is magazine cover. That inside the remaining text, remaining design, whatever you want to fill inside, right? And suppose for the last page, suppose here the last one, here also you can create some other design, or otherwise some photograph. Select from file and place, I'm using this and open, and you create this and leave it, right? So because this is my heading page, right? Here you can fill any colors, or otherwise fill with some text here. Suppose here I'm using this option and right click, and I'm fill with the placeholder text, right? See, so this is your last page, and these are the other pages. Inside you can fill with anything. So if you don't want anything from these pages, simply you can use your none button, right? So select that and drag and drop your anything. Suppose here you can click here, right? So deleted that one. See here, deleted that one. Here you can fill with any design. Suppose here I want to add some design. It look like one patch. I'm giving this, right? Here a fill color, I fill this color, right? And suppose I want to add the same thing in a master, right? So here you can double click here and add some more design. To a left side. Yes. See, I add the design for all the left side master pages, right? Yes. And suppose in this, suppose you come out from the a master page, and suppose you are at this page, fourth page, right? So here you want to move this. Suppose you try to move this, you cannot move because these patches, these things you added by master pages. Whatever the design elements or text you are adding to the pages, you cannot edit, you cannot move from the page, right? So then sometimes you want to move this, because in some pages really I don't want that a design. Few pages I want, in few pages I don't want. So that case, how can we remove, right, or add? Because it is not allowing you to move this, because you are in a normal pages. So for that, use, yes, from here I want to remove this green, right, from 8th page. So here click that page and on keyboard use shift and control, right, and select this one, and you can move this. How to move that? I'm doing again. On keyboard use shift and control, right, and move this. So without using shift and control you cannot move these shapes directly from pages. So you can use shift and control and nicely you can drag this aside, right? After moving you release your shift and control, then normally you select your layer and you do your editings. See, it is not applying to other pages, right? So this is really important thing. Yes, see, nicely we edited. And suppose here also I want to increase this, right? Suppose here also you can increase this up to here. Suppose the text is not there inside, only this much only your text, right? Yes, this is my text. Then now want to edit this pink color again. So this one I want to increase this size. So because it is also added by master pages, so manually you cannot edit this or change this size on normal layers, but sometimes you want to edit that because it is spread it in all pages. Here the particular fourth page, left fourth place, I want to increase this pink color, right? So how to do that? Again on keyboard use shift and control and select this and increase that one, right? And release your shift and control and you can increase this. See, this is increased and it is happened in only on that page. So if you plan any newsletters, magazines and books in a real time, you'll understand more clearly, right? In the coming lessons I'll explain about all these things, right? So here we have options again. We have many options are there. Suppose in default we choose this one A4. Suppose say this is in A3, right? So it is in A3. See, that page only, your selected page convert into A3, right? Control Z, and again here you choose any size, otherwise compact disk. So compact disk means it's very small size. And again use here customs. From customs again, suppose here instead of this landscape I'm giving this, instead of this portrait I'm giving this landscape. See, it is changed again. Save, okay. Suppose here I'm choosing this one, custom, and here give this name. Suppose not given any name, right? So that is not taking. And here it is in the custom shape again. So here we have options. Suppose 10 pages, and this is create new page, and suppose here you can double click here, right click here. Yes, here page attribute is there. So here check this color panel, color label, and suppose I'm using yellow to A master, right? So it is very easy to understand you are in which master. Suppose for the A, here it is indicating, see, this is your B master. For B master yellow patch is not there. For the A master it is indicating by the color, but here they are not showing in this. For your understanding, for indication purpose, here they are showing, right? And so again right click and page attributes and color label, and I'm not giving any color here, use master color, right? So on this, and again right click, and suppose in page attributes, yeah, rotate spread view, it is in, suppose in 90 degrees counterclockwise. See, it is 90 degrees counterclockwise rotated, right? And suppose here right click, and again the panel options, these are the panel. So you can use medium, a large, extra small. Suppose, see, your panels are really small, so you can change this immediately because medium is good, right? Okay. Okay, so these are all about the pages and master pages. If you work on that in a real time, when you prepare any magazine or any book design, so we understand more clearly, right? In coming assignments we do that, right? So this is the topic for today's class. Tomorrow I'll explain another class, right? Thank you.